Here we are, in the car, on the way back from Babies R Us, and I have So Malicious eating her sock on the right, trying to get the video. Hi Sophia, Moo. Hi pretty girl. How's your sock? How's your sock? What's in your mouth? Teeth. Teeth are in my ass. Oh wait, and then to my left, who do I have? I have Vampire Baby. What do you say, Fiona? What do you say? That's right. Vampire Baby. She's not vampire-like because the sun is still out. What do you say, Fifi? Yeah, vampire. Good girl. What about you, Sophia? So. What are you looking at? Your sock? Oh, deliciousness in a sock. Deliciousness in a sock. Are you going to throw it? Good job. Good job. Hey, pretty girl. Traffic. Daddy's going to start going grrr, grrr to the traffic.